Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that pesky error code CH67 on your LG air conditioner and wondering how to get your cool air back, you're in the right place. This error, often seen in 2025 models, typically points to issues like communication problems between the indoor and outdoor units or a faulty sensor. Don't worry. With a few simple steps, you might fix it yourself and save on repair costs. Let's dive in. First things first, safety is key. Before you touch anything, turn off the power supply to your AC unit. Unplug it or flip the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical shocks. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial for your safety. Once the power is off, wait about 5 minutes to let the system reset naturally. Now, step 1. Inspect the connections. Open the access panel carefully and check all the wires connecting the indoor and outdoor units. Look for any loose connections, corrosion, or damage. If you spot anything wrong, secure it gently or clean it with a dry cloth, but don't force anything. Next, try resetting the unit. After checking the connections, plug it back in and turn on the power. Press the reset button if your model has one, or simply restart it from the control panel. Give it a few minutes to boot up and see if the CH67 error disappears. If it does, great job, you're back in business. If the error persists, it could be a deeper issue like a sensor malfunction or low refrigerant levels. In that case, don't go further if you're not experienced. Grab your user manual for specific troubleshooting or contact LG customer support. Sometimes, a simple firmware update might be needed, which a professional can handle. Remember, while these steps work for many cases, not all errors are DIY fixes. Regular maintenance, like cleaning filters every few months, can prevent this in the future. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more home fix tips. Stay cool out there.